Mm, the next step, here we will work with the series object of the Pandas library. It's the one-dimensional array with the indexed data. That's why here first, let's make some data. Yes, right, data pd. And also when we use series object, it should start with the capital letter series, and then we will write one-dimensional, let's say this 83 5 7. Yes, it's our array. And if you write here data and push the button run, it will show you the data, and it gives the indexes to this data. As I said, it's the one-dimensional array with indexed data. As you remember, in Python, our index starts from the 0. That's why our first value is the 0, index 0. Or here you can write like print data, it's the same. And as you know, in NumPy library, we have the values of our array. That's why if we write data dot values, yes, and push the button run, it shows us our array. Here it is. Also, we can write data dot index and we can see that it writes interesting thing. Range index start 0, stop 4, step 1. It says us that I've give the indexes to your values, array values. I started from the 0 and the stop in the 4. It's like 4 elements in the fourth element, and that the step was 1, like 0 plus 1 plus 2, like this. And also, as the same with the NumPy, we can write like index and find the let's say data search index. You can see that our search index is this one. And also we can do here slicing, like I would like to see from 0 to the 2 indexes. If I run this, I can see this the part of the data, not the whole lot. In NumPy, we haven't got this kind of process as in Pandas. In the Pandas, we could change these indexes. It's not default indexes. You can give your own indexes. Let's write data pd series. Let's give the same values. Like this. And here you can write index and give your index, let's say A, B, C, D. And here if you write data and push the button run, here it is. You can see that the index for this first value A, for second B, and for C and D, like this. In NumPy we haven't got this kind of features, but in Pandas we can give our own indexes. Let's make some dictionaries. Try to use this. Let's make population dictionaries. Population dic. population tick, and let's give the input like Almaty, and the population of it, let's make 2 millions. Then sorry, Astana. Sorry. Let's write million. Then Karaganda. Let's give the population like this. And here if you write print population div and then run, you can see here some dictionary, yes, just like input Almaty, this kind of. But in data visualization, it's not useful to it's not useful, and how to say, you should use more easy to use tools. Yes, that's why here if you use series and gives this population dict, yes, we have already if you have this kind of the big data, not structured data, and then you would like give some structure, then you can write like population PD series, and we will and here if you write print population, to run the button, here it is. You see that the series object choose inputs as the indexes, and as the data value, it choose this part of the dictionary. And here also you can write like if you would like to know the population of the Almaty, you can write like this and run. Here it is. Also you can use here the slicing also. Population, let's see, write population Almaty, from Almaty till the if you run the button, you can see it's useful when you have a big datas, and you would like to find some information, not the whole, not searching in the whole data. You just give this kind of slicing or data indexes, and can find some datas.